You should also have a booklet like this. This is an assessment book. For the Mental Health and Wellbeing Award, there isn't an exam at all. The course is completely assessed internally. That means within the school. So it's myself that will be marking it. I will then get another teacher or multiple teachers to cross mark. So that means they'll take the marking criteria and be really brutal about how you get marks or not. So it's all done in the school. It's level 4 or 5. That depends on the quality of your answers. So if I ask you a question and you answer in a sentence, that might be level 4. However, if you've given me a really detailed description, that might get you level 5. Throughout this, there are 3 units we're going to look at: understanding mental health, influences on mental health, and also coping strategies and resilience. On this assessment booklet, this is where you'll be able to prove you've met the outcomes. Now, these are here for you. This tells you to pass the course what you need to do. So for example, this one here that I'm highlighting, identify the needs and wants of individuals. For level 4, you need to identify 2. Identify means pick out. However, for level 5, you have to be able to describe. So give examples. You will also find below, that's where I'm going to post questions or tasks. You can then update what you've done here, and I will mark it off when you've met the outcome. So I hope you're excited. I know this is like the boring bit of telling you all the stuff we'll do. I genuinely think this is going to be brilliant. It is the first time it's run at the school. It's still a relatively new course. I want you to ask questions. I want you to get involved. I'm also planning to try and make this as interactive as I can, so it won't all be read, write, okay? Especially when we get back into school, I've got lots of ideas of things that we can do that don't involve writing, but hopefully you'll find quite interesting and quite fun. What I will say is when you look through the presentations, you'll find bits to read, okay? So what will I study? If something has an orange box around it like this, that means you have work to do. The orange box is so that you can easily see what tasks you have to do for that lesson. So for this one, it's on a Google Doc, answer the following questions from your point of view. So you're being honest about you. Now, I would be suggesting you write that in your notes document, put lesson 1, why, and then give me the answers. So again, you've got another orange one here. That means you've got to do something. The rest of the slides is what will give you information. Some of these will be quite heavy on you going away and doing something. If you want to do it on paper, not a problem, like I say, just make sure you let me know. There's also other kinds of activities that I might ask you to have a look at so that you can improve your knowledge and your understanding. Hopefully, this makes sense. I will check in with you at least once a week. If you think you're going to struggle with this way of learning, can you let me know? I'm happy to change it. I'm happy to look at different methods, but you need to speak to me. I'm not a psychic. If you let me know what you like or what works for you, I can work around that. When I post a list of activities, so like this is your week 1 work, it looks a lot, but I've tried to manage that's what we would do in 4 periods in school. If you're struggling, speak to me. I won't be angry. Send me a message, get in contact to let me know, actually, I've got a lot of work to do. I'll be able to tell you what to prioritize on what I've given you. In addition to that, if you find that actually I would rather sit and do all 4 lessons on Friday because that makes me feel better, just let me know. You can do these at any time. You can dip in and out. They are designed to be lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, but you could sit and do them all in an afternoon if you want. The choice is over to you. You will get 1 week to complete the tasks that I give you. If you need longer, just let me know. I hope that helps. I'm really looking forward to doing this course this year. I hope you are too. If you've got any questions or queries, please get in touch. Other than that, I will let you get on with your first tasks and can't wait to see how you do. See y'all later.